श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि, सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। हरि ओम, नमस्कार। हरि ओम। चार मुख्य शास्त्र सनातन धर्म के माने गए हैं। 4 मेन स्क्रिप्चर्स, विच आर दे? श्रुति, स्मृति, इतिहास, पुराण। अनुज, वो डॉक्टर विजय एंड where's your wife? I don't see her. Where? Okay, fine. I just wanted you all to sit in such a way that I can see your faces. Bring your chairs, shift your chairs in such a way that you can see your faces. मैं आपका मुंह देख सकूं, ऐसे बैठो। बड़ा हॉल है, बीच में भी बैठेंगे, मेरे को कोई हरकत नहीं है। 2 के बीच में बैठेंगे ना तो आपको मैं दिख पाऊंगी, आप मुझे दिखेंगे और मैं आपको देख पाऊंगी। तो ऐसे बैठिए, बस, बहुत बढ़िया, वंडरफुल। अभी आप ऐसे बाहर आकर बैठिए ना, देखा ये, हाँ, आप बाहर आकर बैठिए, बाहर, बहुत बढ़िया, कोई हर्ज नहीं, परफेक्ट, वेरी गुड। So, the 4 main scriptures are what? Quick, I want answers. Shruti, Smriti, Itihasa, and Purana. Everyone must answer. Some of you are waiting for others to answer. Everyone. What are the 4 scriptures? Itihasa and Purana. तो श्रुति यानी वेद। कितने वेद हैं? वेद कितने हैं? एक है, कितने वॉल्यूम? 4 वॉल्यूम। पर देखो ये सब अंदर। अच्छा, श्रुति क्या है? वो इज इट कंपोज नॉलेज? What is it? Revealed. So, who is the author of the Vedas? You can say, Yasya Nishvasitam Vedaha. It is said what? It is the very breath of God. Why? Because these eternal laws, जो सनातन सत्य जो है, वो मंत्र दृष्टा ने देखे, इसलिए उसको क्या कहते हैं? कोई कंपोजिशन नहीं है, इट इज़ नॉट. तो वेद व्यास कौन है? एडिटर कंपाइलर है, और उन्होंने ये भाग विभाजन किए हुए हैं. फिर स्मृति क्या है? जो महान, जैसे कि मनु महाराज है, ऐसे सिर्फ मनुस्मृति नहीं, बहुत सारी स्मृतियाँ हैं. देयर आर मेनी मेनी स्मृतिज. एंड आफ्टर हैविंग अंडरस्टूड एंड रियलाइज्ड फ्रॉम देयर ओन एक्सपीरियंस, दे हैव गाइडेड पीपल विथ more on dharma and on Brahma, and this knowledge then is called what? Smriti. There are many smritis, many smritis. Then we have itihasa. Which are the main itihasas? Ramayana and Mahabharata. Ramayana is composed or revealed? Simple question. Except Shruti, all are composed. So who composed the Ramayana? Well, Adi Ramayana. The first Ramayana was composed by Anjaneya illa, Valmiki. Valmiki composed the first Ramayana, and after that many Ramayanas are there. In fact, in almost every language there is a Ramayana. Are you aware of all the different Ramayanas in different languages? Yes. One of the most famous is Tulasi Ramayana. Who composed that? Tulasi Das ji. So it is called Ramacharit Manas. That is the actual name. It's called Tulsi Ramayana because the author is so famous. Like Veda Vyasa, like that Tulasi Ramayana it is called. ठीक है ना? तुलसी रामायण क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि तुलसीदास जी. फिर साउथ में कंबन रामायण है, तेलुगु में एक रामायण है, आनंद रामायण है, वो भी कहते हैं वाल्मीकि ऋषि ने ही ये कंपोजिशन उसका किया हुआ है. तो देयर आर मेनी सच रामायणास इन आवर कंट्री. And the story of Ramayana is there even in Indonesia and all. If you go there, Bali and all, they will act it out. And only they don't consider Rama and Sita as God and all. They consider them as hero, heroine. And it's considered as a love story, and they do it. The original this has gone because it's a Muslim country. They dare not do that. Right? Anyway, that being besides the point. Now, Ramayana जो है, और इसमें वही the same knowledge that is there in the what? In the Vedas is dramatized or is given in a form which is very easy for us to accept. That does not mean Ram did not exist, okay? Because then we only call mythology stories. Means what? As though it is myth. It is what? Cock and bull stories put together to make us explain the lessons of life. That is not true. Is it okay? So many of our children believe like that, right? What do they think? Okay, these are only what? Stories, and they are not true. कि कृष्ण कोई थे ही नहीं, राम कोई थे ही नहीं, ऐसे मानते हैं कि नहीं मानते हैं? काफ़ी लोग ऐसे मानते हैं. Now, if such a thing is there, this is ridiculous. We have no faith in all this, that Rama existed, Krishna existed and all. But we have a lot of faith in science. Yes or no? For us, science is what? Brahma Vakya. And science, you all know, it keeps changing. Does it or does it not? A theory for which someone gets a Nobel Prize, the next person gets a Nobel Prize for disproving that theory. Yes or no? But still we think of it as what? And that is what, it is very interesting. I went to the US, and one of my main purpose for going to the US was not prachara. It was to find out why it is a superpower. Was a superpower. Okay, is a superpower. So why? And one, I really discovered, okay, there are many things about it, but one of the things that in that place, what I discovered, very interesting. They are excellent at presentation. They've mastered. And when they sell anything, they sell with this tagline, science has said. Yes or no? But I think it doesn't work these days. Because they are not able to sell even the vaccine with the word science has said. So I think the tagline is now, Diminished completely, because the vaccine they are not able to sell with this. No? Isn't it true? Science has said is not working anymore. Anyway, now, so science has said, we have this thing, science has said, bas. But who did the discovery? Who did the research? हम पूछते ही नहीं हैं. Pizza company will say, pizza, they will do research and bring out the paper, what? Pizza is health food. You understand? They consider tomato ketchup as what? A vegetable, which is this. It is a fact, you know? Vegetable. Can you imagine? When you eat, and so many other things are there. So if you eat enough ketchup, that means you've eaten enough veggies. Anyway, that's the point. The point is not all that. My point is, we have this thing, what science has said. Right? So everything is right. Now, how many of you have seen a NASA image of the Ramasetu? NASA image is there of Ramasetu. And they call it Adam's Bridge. Bhagwan knows why they call it Adam's Bridge. Ramasetu is the actual word. And then so many people came to me, they'll pass it very this, Arey, do you know Swamiji actually exist? Meaning what? Meaning what? NASA said, so it exists. Arey, हमारे रामायण में कहा है. Are you understanding? See, look at our way. NASA said it is there. NASA ने कहा कि इसका पिक्चर है, सैटेलाइट पिक्चर है, इसलिए रामसेतु है. हमारे शास्त्र में भी तो कहा है. But we have no faith in that. Okay, fine. Now, our way of writing itihasa is different. So therefore they consider it what? All. Now, see, if it was only a made-up story, interesting is there, Ramayana was written thousands of years back, right? And every possible place that is there in the Ramayana is actually, what? There. It actually exists or not? So first they wrote the story and then they started naming everything? Or there were names, so they made a story? Are you getting the ridiculousness of this whole thing? Bolo na. It's so illogical. When our children, so-called intellectual, we don't believe in all this nonsense, we believe in science. Then think, do you believe in logic? Yes, then think logically. Then please use logic. Samjhe ki nahi? Another thing that happens. I'm saying all these things because it's important for us to understand. See, जो हम पढ़ने वाले हैं उसमें श्रद्धा नहीं होगी तो पढ़ने का कोई अर्थ नहीं है. समझा दिया. देखिए, एक यंग लड़का था, मुझे कहता है, I don't believe in the Gita. So I said, okay, fine. I said, I don't believe in Einstein's theory of relativity. Then he says, Swamiji, till now you were talking a lot of sense. Now all of a sudden you are talking nonsense. Do you know Einstein's theory of relativity? I said, I don't know and I don't believe. So he said, Swamiji, you have no right to say you don't believe if you don't know. So I said, I am saying the same thing. What do you know of Bhagavad Gita? Have you read the Bhagavad Gita? Have you understood the Bhagavad Gita? If you don't know, you have no right to say, I believe or I don't believe. Is this okay? Yes. 90% of the people who say, I don't believe, मैं नहीं मानती उसमें, उसको न जानते हैं and न मानते. उनका नहीं मानने का अर्थ ही नहीं होता है. They are not believing is senseless and meaningless. Are you getting my point? So don't give so much importance to such people who say, I don't know and I don't. And you please keep quiet. You don't know, so you have no right to say whether you believe. You have no idea what it is. How can you say? Samjhe na? For people who say God is nowhere, I say, have you gone everywhere? Nowhere you bol rahe. You have not gone to the tip of the North Pole, no? Maybe he's there. Go check out. Now, I'm just saying in a little lighter tone also. Why I'm saying is that we should understand. So, we have itihasa, okay? Itihasa. And all of this, whatever is there, happened. So, don't think it didn't happen. It did happen. Itihasa. Thus it is said. Just because they say it's said doesn't mean it didn't happen. Now हम लोग कहते हैं कि एक इतिहास में ऐसे लिखा, एक रामायण में ऐसे लिखा है, एक रामायण में ऐसे लिखा है. There are different versions of Ramayana. Is it true or not? If certain things in Kamban Ramayana are different from certain things in Tulsi Ramayana, are different in certain things in Valmiki Ramayana, then why is it different? Do you know? If you see the Bible, what is the Bible? The New Testament, John and Matthew and who are other thing? I don't know. Different people talking about the life and times of Jesus. Is it not true, the New Testament? Bolo, for those of you who know a little bit, kuch bolo na, ha na. Yes. And the versions are different or not? Not. So you will say that means Jesus didn't exist. No. People are giving. But that is not the case really. One is this is the case. The other, and a very, very important, this is, we call it Kalpa Bheda. What is Kalpa Bheda? In different times. See, these stories are not stories only of this yuga or this particular cycle of creation. This has happened again and again and again. Because we are in these times, for us, this yuga, Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga, in this yuga, this Ramayana is there, but there were other times when Ramayana happened and the, the krama, the sequence could be different. For example, if someone is acting in a play, if anyone has this experience of acting in a play, the same play you do again and again. वही play अलग-अलग समय पे करते हैं, है ना? तो हर रोज का वर्जन होता है, एग्जैक्ट सेम होगा कि कभी-कभी कोई डायलॉग बीच में कोई अलग भी हो सकता है, कुछ हो सकता है कि नहीं? I went to London, and in London there is one particular, play which I saw is going on for years together, Mousetrap. How many of you have seen that? It's an amazing show. I mean, the acting is too good and all, whatever it is. So, now it's been playing since I think 50 years, or I have no idea. It's a long, long time. So the same actors who were playing at that time are not the ones who are playing now. Is it true or not? Different actors are playing. And when they say the dialogue, there could be difference. Each day, sometimes someone forgets altogether. So do you innovate on it? Do you or do you not? So similarly also, it's not that Rama forgot or something forgot. I am saying different versions are possible. That doesn't mean it did not happen. Is that okay? Kalpa Bhed we call it. क्या? जब हम देखते हैं अलग अलग प्रकार के रामायण होते हैं, तुलसी रामायण अलग होता है, वाल्मीकि अलग होता है, तो हमारे मन में ये डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए कि अरे ये अलग बताते हैं इसलिए कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. ऐसी बात नहीं है. क्या बात है कि कल्पभेद के कारण हम अलग अलग रामायण देखते हैं. इज इट ओके? अच्छा. नाउ सो इतिहास एंड पुराणास. नाउ देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इतिहास एंड पुराण. इतिहास और पुराण में फ़र्क क्या है? इतिहास टॉक्स अबाउट वन पर्सन और अ पर्टिकुलर फैमिली, एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द हीरो ऑफ रामायण इज हु? भगवान रामा. सो द होल रामायण इज अबाउट हु? राम के बारे में ही है रामायण में. तो राम के बारे में, क्योंकि सीता जी भगवान राम के साथ उनकी शादी हुई, तो इसलिए सीता जी के बारे में और सीता जी के परिवार के बारे में भी बहुत सब लिखा होगा. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? एनीथिंग रिलेटेड. इफ सम ऋषि कम्स एंड मीट्स रामा, दे विल गिव अ बिग स्टोरी अबाउट हु इज द ऋषि, फ्रॉम वेयर ही केम, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. हैव यू गॉट इट? But it is all related to Ram. How many of you have read a book called Roots? Alex Haley. Okay, fine. I read it when I was in school, but it was very exciting for me at that time. आजकल कोई पढ़ता भी नहीं है, इसलिए आजकल ज़माने में पूछेंगे ना तो किसी को पता नहीं. I'm not talking about any of you, but this was so it was a story of a African American whose ancestors came from the jungles of Africa. And everything related to them was, and the present, the person who had, author, he is talking about his whole ancestry. In the end, you come to know he's talking about his. So everything related to that time, the history of that place, the culture of that place, the environment of the place, the nature, everything is described. It was beautiful. It's exactly in the style of what? The Ramayana. There are many, many stories written even in this time in that style. So, Itihasa is one figure. Mahabharat mein who is the main figure? No. No, Mahabharat is all about the 5 Pandavas. Is that understood? Because Krishna played a very important part in the life of the Pandavas, there's a lot of things written about Krishna. समझे? महाभारत किसके बारे में है? पंच पांडव के बारे में, उनकी कथा है. और क्योंकि भगवान कृष्ण का बहुत महत्व का भाग है पांडवों के जीवन में, इसलिए महाभारत में कृष्ण भगवान के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें लिखी हुई है. इज इट ओके? यस. नाउ वी गो टू व्हाट वी कॉल व्हाट? पुराणास. आई लव द पुराणास. पुराण में उसमें कोई कोई बातें होती है ना, तो हमको लगता है कि क्या कहानी, कुछ भी लिखते हैं. ऐसे लगता है ना कभी कभी. वो क्या जरासंध था, उसका क्या हो गया? वो आधा बन गया, वो आधा में से, ऐसा ही कुछ है ना. वो कौन वाला था जो आधा, और उस एक आधे में से दूसरा आधा बन गया? जरासंध ही ना? नहीं, जरासंध नहीं, कौन था? This na, and then the second half became more, the second and all that. So I think it's all what? Cock and bull stories and all. पता नहीं क्या क्या लिखते हैं, कुछ भी लिखते हैं. The whole idea is कुछ भी लिखते हैं. Now, interesting, huh? And then that's why you think it is all what? Like superhero stories and all that. Sometimes it feels like that. Now let me explain all this to you. Puranas. What is a Purana? The meaning of the word Purana, Pura api Nava, even though old ever new. Puran हम कहते हैं पुराणुष है. पुराण means what? Old. But Pura api Nava. पुराना है लेकिन नवीन है. Now, what is space? Akash. Is it old or is it new? Please, old. Akash has got now very old now. You know, now we have to discard. It's out of fashion. Is it there? No, it is Pura api Nava. Are you understanding? So there are so many things in the world which is very ancient and yet ever new. Okay? This is called Purana. I'm just giving you as an example. Now, Purana is what is called Sambhava Pramana. This is a very, very interesting thing. That's one of the reasons why I love the Puranas. Now, imagine 100 years back, 100 साल पहले अगर कोई आपको कहे कि मोबाइल नाम की चीज़ होगी, if there is something called a mobile, would you have believed it? Come on. If someone would have told you there will be an instrument called a mobile in which you can, what are the things you can do? Your watch can be there, then your battery, the torch light, then come on. Radio, music, your TV, your camera, your office, your full account, and you can maps and bolo. We have not even started. Come on. What all things could happen through this little memory? Huh? Order food, order everything under the sun. What else? Apps, different type of apps, unbelievable things. Would anyone have believed? What would they have said? This is cock and bull stories. Yes or no? They would have said, what are you talking? Are you mad? They would have called it science fiction. Agreed? But is it possible now? Not only possible, it is there. Okay? It is there. Now, what was impossible is possible. Right? Now, so many things we call it science fiction. Right? Maybe a chip which can be put in the head of a person so that they don't have to carry something like that. They can just katak and it is on. It's pure science fiction right now. Is it true or not? Who knows? Maybe it is possible. Okay? Because What was 100 years impossible has become what? What we think is impossible could become possible. I'm not saying it is going to happen, I'm saying it is possible. Right? Got this? It is called sambhava. हम ऐसे नहीं कह सकते नहीं हो सकता है, हम इतना ही कह सकते हैं हो सकता है. Doesn't mean हुआ है, but हो सकता है. Is it okay? That's the meaning of the word संभव. आप सबकी भाषा में संभव शब्द का क्या होता अर्थ होता है? Possible. असंभव? Come on, you must immediately answer when I ask you. And everyone must say it, because this thing, when the minute you say, na, your commitment becomes more. Otherwise, some of them, okay, you say. Someone else will say. Why should? Don't do that. Because when you listen with commitment, it's a very different experience from actually. So open your mouth. I'm allowing you to open your mouth. That way, you'll be more engaged also, and you will think better also. Is it okay? So please do that. Right. So the word in all your language for sambhav means what? Possible. Asambhav means what? Impossible. So Puranas are sambhav pramana. Now, in the good old days, they used to say one mantra. And then you have seen in this Ramayana and all these stories, they will say some mantra and then haven't you seen? Mahabharata also. And then Agni Astra. Some mantra he will say. And then the fire will. And then from the opposite side, Varuna Astra. To counter the Agni Astra. And he will also say some. And then the Agni Astra and the Varuna Astra will what? Clash. And what? देखा है कि नहीं देखा है? The first time CNN became very famous was during the Iraq war. When US attacked Iraq, that's when CNN became famous basically. And for those who have seen at that time, there used to be Scud missile and Patriot missile. Have you heard? The first time when I saw that now, and luckily Mahabharata came before that. So in Mahabharata, zwing, that used to happen. Arjuna and Duryodhana, like that, it used to happen. Exactly the same. Scud missile, zwing, Patriot missile, zwing. $1 million, $2 million, and your one mantra, no paisa. Which is more advanced, please tell me? Mantra Shakti or Yantra Shakti? Please tell me. What is more advanced? Now we have lost this Mantra Shakti. You understand? Now we don't have. Even if you do no mantra, you do nothing will happen. Because that Shakti is not there anymore. Those people had. So it was possible that time, it is impossible now. That doesn't mean it didn't happen. Are you all with me? It was possible for them. Abhi kahan Shakti hai? Now if you tell someone, go to hell, they stand in front of you and they'll say, meet you there. Isn't it true? What? Nothing will happen. But in those days, that Durvasa said, you become Ajgar. Bhatak, wo ban gaya Ajgar. वो शक्ति थी, उनकी वाणी में शक्ति थी. Are you understanding? Because that was there. That was the mantra Shakti. Got it? And that is why we have to keep doing Om Namah Shivaya, and then the mind is going Om Namah. Oh yeah, their mind didn't go anywhere. They said it happened. Are you getting the point? So that was possible that time. वो संभव उस समय था, इस समय असंभव. But that didn't mean it didn't happen. Are you with me? So all these Purana stories. जरासंध की हम बात करते हैं. अभी वो DNA multiplication कैसे होता है? It splits in between and the other half is produced. Is it true or not? Rakta Bij, the what? Blood went into the what? Ground. And from that what? One more Rakta Bij came. Cloning क्या होता है? बोलो ना. And then this Swamiji, this one had 1,000 children, this one had 100 children. I say, how is it possible? One pregnancy at a time. Isn't it true? How is it possible so many, it means how many years and all that? My dear, nowadays all of you know there is something called sperm donation. Hota hai ki nahi? One man can produce how many children? Bolo na. Are you? I'm. So they say that all that is there, the beej, the seed of all that possible could happen is there. जो भी संभव है वहाँ उसका बीज उस कहानियों में है. Have you understood that? What we call computers and all, अरे the planes and all that, in the plane they used to have all what? Everything possible in the plane. अभी हम खाते हैं, सोते हैं, करते हैं कि नहीं प्लेन में, बोलो ना. पहले प्लेन में एक भी व्यक्ति बैठता नहीं था. First the planes were there. Now what? And now the planes are what? Holiday in space. Yes or no? जाते हैं कि नहीं जाते हैं? जेफ बेजोस गया कि नहीं गया? वो जाके आ गया. Then after sometimes they will say, okay, holiday in Mars. Possible or not? What seemed impossible? Now Yantra Shakti works. In those days, what happened? Yantra Shakti. There were planes, and then they used to take everyone. Say, chalo, tum bhi aa jao, and we'll have a good time on the plane. Okay. Pushpak Viman, heard of that one? Multi-tired plane, whatever you want to call it, everything. So, these are what is called Puranas. Okay. Puranas do not talk about a particular family or particular, they talk about a Vansha. पुराण की कथा में वंश, तो सूर्य वंश है, चंद्र वंश है, उसकी कहानी होती है. वी इट्स टॉकिंग अबाउट अ लीनिएज, यू नो. So Surya Vansha, Chandra Vansha. So our Bhagwan Krishna is what Vansha? Chandra Vansha. Bhagwan's Rama is what Vansha? Surya Vansha. है ना? है कि नहीं? ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना. So therefore we talk about these different lineages, and I told you in what style. If you learn something from them, they'll write about it. If there's nothing to learn about them, they'll just miss it. So the crumb seems impossible, but it doesn't seem as to our logic this, but it has a lot of sense. Is it okay? Shruti, Smriti, Purana, ये तो मेन है. दूसरे बहुत सारे ग्रंथ है, शास्त्र है. Have you understood? These are not the only shastras. There are so many others. You can't imagine. Innumerable others also, which are quite authentic. Now the question comes now, Swamiji, what should I study? Okay. So whichever is the parampara that you are in, or the guru that you meet, what they teach you, for you, that is fine. Is that okay? I told you everything in line with the Vedas is fine. Okay. Now, Shruti, Smriti, Puranan, Itihas. Now what are we going to study? In the morning session, we are all going to study the Vedas. Which Veda? So, we are going to study from one of, now the Vedas itself is divided into 3 sections, which is called Kanda. What is it called? Kanda. 3 sections. Why 3 sections? Why not 4 sections? Because there are 2 ways of dividing the Vedas. One is this way that I am saying, and the other also is there. One is called Karma Kanda. Second is called Upasana Kanda. And third is called Jnana Kanda. Karma Kanda, Upasana Kanda, Jnana Kanda. Why 3? Because all of us are born with 3 manufacturing defects. What? Swamiji, I am fine. I have no. No. All of us. Me also, you also, every one of us. So don't feel bad. Okay. All of us are born with what? You know कि कोई भी product है, कितना भी perfect है, उसमें थोड़ा slight percentage of manufacturing fault होगा ही होगा. Is it a fact or not? Yes. Anything, however perfect it is, there will be a slight. Very small, but it is there, however perfect it is. Right. If you have understood that, all of us have got these 3 manufacturing defects. Which are the 3 manufacturing defects? It is called Mala, Vikshepa, and Ajnana Avarana. Mala, Vikshepa, Ajnana Avarana. Mala means the dirt of the mind. I'll explain, don't worry. Everything that I speak, I will explain. Vikshepa means the agitation or the restlessness of the mind. Man ki vikshiptata. And Ajnana Avarana means the veiling or the covering of ignorance. Ajnana ka Avarana. Okay. Now, which are the three? Mala. Now, हम सबको पता है. Don't we have Raga, Dvesha, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha? Yes or no? You all have started doing japam. You are understanding or not what is happening inside you? है कि नहीं है? Likes and dislikes and revenge and jealousies and resentment and anger. Do you have it? All of us? Yes, all of us have it. So Mala is there? Yes, it is there. Vikshepa, Are Rama, yesterday whole session everyone was asking about Vikshepa only. Mind is not concentrated, mind is not concentrated. Is it true or not? Restlessness of the mind, do we have? Yes. All of us? Yes. So please don't feel bad about it. Don't think only my mind is like that. Okay? It is not only your mind. That is, I always say, remember this sentence, there is only difference in degrees, not in kind. What? What? Can you write down so you won't feel so bad? Yeah, what? There's only difference in degrees, but not in kind. So don't think, yeah, this person, and everyone, you will think, this person, you see how much they can do. I can't do anything. They are. So everyone thinks the other person is better than you. Yes or no? Don't think like that. We are all in the same boat. Is that okay? So don't feel bad. They are all so nice. What? They are all like Brahmajnanis only, and I am like a useless. Don't think like that, okay? Yes? And that's why I said don't compare. First of all, compare yourself with anyone. No one is better, no one is worse. We are all walking on the path. Is that okay? Yes. Don't feel bad कि अरे वो कितने हैं देखो कैसे बैठते हैं मैं तो बैठ ही नहीं सकता. अरे don't worry whether you can. Bhagavan doesn't see whether you can sit or not. Bhagavan sees what is happening inside you. Is it okay? So don't Okay, fine. Now if you have understood this, so Mala is there with everyone. Vikshepa is there with everyone. And all of us are born because we don't know our true nature. We don't know that we are Satchidananda. You say, no, Swamiji, I have heard Vedas, I am Satchidananda. My dear, have you realized that? If you have realized, you won't come for this camp at all. Yes or no? Which Brahmajnani is sitting over here? If you're sitting, then I will say, please come here, I will do namaskar to you. Right? Any Brahmajnanis? No? Sure? Are you sure? Because if you are, I would love to do Shashtang Pranam and please come up and take the Vyaspeeth because you are more fit than I am. Are you understanding? So therefore, what do we say? Ajnana Avaran is there, that's what we are born with. So all the three we have, faults are there, manufacturing defect is there in all of us. Yes, and don't think only you are here sitting there, everyone has this. That's why we are born. Okay, except for Siddha Purushas, except for perfected people, all of us have this. Having understood this, that we have it. So the Vedas are divided into 3 kandas. Okay, what are the 3 kandas? Karma Kand, Upasana Kand, Jnana Kanda. So by following the Karma Kand of the Vedas, the Mala of the mind is destroyed. By following the Upasana Kanda of the Vedas, the Vikshepa is destroyed. By following the Jnana Kanda of the Vedas, the Ajnana is destroyed. Karma Kand se mal nashta hota hai. उपासना कांड के पालन से विक्षेप नष्ट होता है. ज्ञान कांड के पालन से ज्ञान से अज्ञान नष्ट होता है. Is that okay, everyone? Isn't it so scientific? Now, if you have understood this, what should we do to get, which should we follow first? Jnana Kand, Karma Kand or Upasana Kand? Bolo. Most of us, what do? First, we go to Jnana Kanda. We listen to Vedanta. Aham Brahmasmi. And then say, kuch hota hi nahi hai. Now, there's a bucket of water and it is filled with water. The bucket of water naturally be filled with water. It's in the sun. Now, you should get a clear, reflection of the sun, right? Should you or should you not? Mid-sun, no midday sun, no clouds in the sky. If you put it, should we get or not? If you don't get a clear reflection, what could be the reason? Simple. Water is dirty or water is it okay? If the water is still and the water is clean, perfect reflection is there. You don't have to go and bring the reflection and put it inside. You have to do that. You don't have to do anything. If it is there, it's immediately seen. Water is still and clean. Perfect reflection is seen. Is that okay? Now, in the bucket of the body is the water of the mind. And what is the state of that water? Mala Vikshep is there or not? So what are you supposed to do? Once the Mala and the Vikshepa goes, that Atma Tattva, that Brahma Tattva, our own true nature is clearly realized. Is that okay? Yes. Now realization is not happening. साक्षात्कार क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? क्योंकि क्या है? तो हम क्यों बैठे हैं यहाँ मंत्र साधना में? क्या करने के लिए बैठे हैं? What are we sitting in the mantra sadhana camp for? बोलो. To remove the Mala and the Vikshep. And then the morning class will be there to realize, oh, this is me. Got it? This is what I am. Then it will be clearly reflected. This is me. You don't have to bring Atma and put it inside. Yeah, Atma kidhar gaya re? Aajkal dikhta nahi Atma. Will you have to do that? बोलो. मेरा आत्मा तो चला गया. अब पता नहीं कब आएगा. Will you have to do any of that? No. What? It is there. It's not seen by Malavikshep. Is it okay? So that is why the importance of sadhana. I told you what is it going to do? 3 words. Come on, quickly. What is the state of the mind? Shuddhata. Everyone quickly, recollect immediately. Shuddhata, Sukshmata, Ekagrata. This is the state of the mind that can be achieved. So this is the thing, no? One is that. So, karma kand. We are doing all that now. Did we not do karma? And even still we are continuously doing. We are doing what? We are doing havan. We are doing pujas. That's why please do all the different pujas also. So these are all different ways. These, these mantras and these actions and all of this is going to help us to what? Make the mind. It slowly it happens. How it happens, you don't know, I don't know. But it does happen. Already, some of you can see your mind becoming a little, what? Calmer. It is possible. Then once in a while, one session it becomes like that. Then again, another session you'll find a different experience. Is it true or not? It's possible. So therefore, and what happens? See, it is like that. When I wear a white shirt, pure white, then even a few dots are seen as dirt, right? But if I wear a black shirt, which nowadays a lot of people like to wear, what will happen? What? Kitna bhi ganda hai, dikhta hi nahi hai. Are you understanding? So similarly, when you start, doing more and more sadhana, you will think, my God, before I came, I was not so bad. Now I've become worst. Why you feel that? Because now it is seen more clearly. Is that okay? First it was not seen. पहले दिखता नहीं था. काले शर्ट में कितना भी गंदगी है पता ही नहीं चलती है. अभी क्या होता है? धीरे धीरे शर्ट साफ हो रहा है, इसलिए गंदगी ज्यादा स्पष्टता से दिखती है. Are you with me? Certain things, thoughts which you would not even have thought bad, now you say, my God, this is not good. I'll give an example. We have a Chinmay International Residential School, lovely school. And I used to be involved very much in the school. So I used to have a lot of kids coming up to me and talking, they will say, I need to talk with you. So they would talk with me. So one kid came, he had come only in the 11th grade, and he came to me and says, I need to talk with you. Okay, fine. Sometimes they would tell me things which they would, even though I was supposed to be director in charge, they felt free so they could talk, because otherwise I could have dismissed them from school at that point of time, but, taken them out. But they felt safe, so they talked. So he's coming and telling me, Swamiji, I have 2 problems. So what is it? So he came from a very, very rich background, extremely rich background, some whatever, some owners of some steel company or something, whatever. So his father used to make a lot of money. So he says, in my mind, I keep calculating how much money my father is making every day. He made so much, he knew some of the things that he made so much money. So he would think, my father's. And he's saying, whenever I look at someone, their shirt, I will see the brand. What is the brand? What is this? The watch, this, everything, he would just see this. He's saying, I keep doing it, I keep seeing, and then I say, this is no brand shirt. This is only, this is this brand, etc., etc. I keep doing this. And what is the second thing? He's saying, I like that girl very much. One particular girl, I like her very much. Okay, fine. Now he came and told me this. I said, the first thing we'll deal with first. I said, I'm very happy and congratulations. So he says, why are you saying that? Swamiji, I'm telling you it's a problem. I said, this is so good. He came from Bombay. I said, all your friends in Bombay, how do they think? He says, yeah, they think the same way. Did you consider it a problem when you were in Bombay, when all your friends exactly think the same thing, and you also thought that way? Did you consider it a problem at all? He says, no. He says, I never even thought it to be a problem. I just looked at everyone and kept seeing what? Like that. I think the minute I see, I evaluate. And I'll say, this person is this much, this is wearing this much, this is not a brand name, this is, they're wearing some mala, this is costly, it is gold, it is this. See, the minute I see people, this is how I used to think. I said, what did your friends think? He's saying, they think exactly the same way. Did you consider it a problem? No. Now you consider it a problem. That itself is a great achievement. Are you understanding what I'm speaking? The very fact that you think this is a problem and you want to get rid of it, you are almost half there. Are you all understanding what I'm trying to tell you all? I said, you are almost there. तो कोई ज़्यादा problem नहीं है. And then I told him a few things, couple of things. I said, do it this way, don't do this, etc., etc. And true enough, in 15 days' time, he came and says, I don't see any more like that. Khatam. Are you understanding? Similarly, if our normal, we don't even think what we are thinking or how we think is a problem at all. We think this is fine. The state of the mind with an agitation, we think. Only when it becomes too much, बहुत ही ज़्यादा विक्षेप होता तब कहते हैं अरे प्रॉब्लम है. बाकी नॉर्मल प्रॉब्लम तो नॉर्मल विक्षेप वगैरह तो हम विक्षेप ही नहीं कहते हैं. Yes or no? बहुत ज़्यादा विक्षेप हो जाता है अभी I can't tolerate. नॉर्मल राग द्वेष होता है, हम देखते ही रहते हैं, आई डोंट लाइक दिस, एंड वी फील प्राउड ऑल्सो. आई कांट स्टैंड दिस, आई लव दिस इज समथिंग, दिस आई डोंट. ये राग द्वेष की भाषा हम 24 आवर्स बोलते रहते हैं. वी डोंट इवन कंसिडर इट अ प्रॉब्लम. इट इज ओनली आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू रियलाइज, अरे जब when I am trying to go deep inside, these little things become a problem. Are you with me? Yes? So is it good or not that it's coming out? And you start considering all these different thought patterns as problems, because they are problems. Are you with me? So when it comes out, don't say, hey, before I came for mantra sadhana, I did not have so many problems. I'm telling you, I was quite, what? Fine. After coming here only, what is happening? So much problem. I never knew what. I don't think. I think it is worse. This place is just creating more problems in my mind. Are you understanding what I'm trying to tell you? So Mala, Vikshep, Ajnanavaran. So puja, japa, all this are going to what? Mala, Vikshep and Ajnanavaran. This, and the morning class that I have is for the Ajnanavaran. Okay? Normally when I do this, we still have this Mala, Vikshep and Ajnanavaran in the whole course of the day. That's why we have a whole, full day designed in such a way so that each of this thing gets taken care of. But in this particular camp, I felt the emphasis should be on the removal of Mala, Vikshepa. That is why the sadhana is given importance. This is only a 40-50 minute class and 4 hours of japa plus the pujas, etc. there. But as you know, I told you what? Our mind should be such that what? Yukta ahara vihara, food, this, and entertainment also should be there, na? If you don't have entertainment, what will happen to the mind? Otherwise you'll go to your room and then start finding some entertainment on your mobile. I don't want that to happen, and therefore today evening we have a cultural program. Okay? Every week you will have a cultural program. So your mind will be what? Entertainment also. Swamiji, what is the program? You will see. Each week there will be something beautiful that happens. So you will find. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.